Hello YouTube, I'm actually using my mom's camera, as my camera is like putting videos on my computers and I'll show you guys now. Because I use Windows Vista, I don't use Windows 7, I use Vista. Let's see how does zoom in everything. Oh, here it is. Tasty times. Let's have the close you don't get. Let's see, what is it? Oh, it's already done, so I'm not doing this. What's that? This camera right here that I'm using is actually different from mine because you have to delete it from the camera. You can like go on the computer and just press the delete key. Whereas of course that's how it sucks, but anyways, what? It doesn't bother me, And so yeah, be back. Bye. The dog don't dig the pizza. Really? Don't dig it. Yeah, really nice to take the secret so we don't see it. Let's see. I'll be back when I see it. Yeah, see walk away say, I am walking away from you, Kyle. What is it? Really perfect. I am walking away from you, Kyle. That's what Saykar does. I'll post you a link of Saykar channel. Yeah, bye. Hey guys, I want to show you something. Wait, look at what the dog doing. Hot dog. Oh, see, walk away. Really? Oh, look at her. See, put it over in the fire pit. Really? Her nose is boy with the fire pit. Really? Look at her nose. We need to clean your nose off that door. We need to clean those off. Okay, can I go in the house? Let me ask Mom. Bye. Bye YouTube. I'm leaving. Bye.